How to easily add Shop Pay installments on Shopify. Here's how to easily add Shop Pay installments to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin, then go to Settings and select Payments. Under the Shopify Payments section, click Manage and scroll down to the Shop Pay box and make sure it's enabled. Right below it, you'll see an option for Shop Pay installments, so check the box to activate it. If you don't see the option, make sure your store is based in the US and selling in USD, as it's only available under these conditions. Next, click Save, and Shop Pay installments will automatically appear as a payment option at checkout for eligible orders between $50 and $17,500. To promote it, go to Settings, then Checkout, and ensure that dynamic checkout buttons are enabled. This will show the Pay in Installments badge on product pages. Now your customers can pay over time with no hassle, and you still get paid upfront. And that's it. Shop Pay Installments is now active on your store, so thanks for watching.